We bought that. It is a pile of crap. So it may need the yard mowed because my 3-year-old, our 4-year-old, sorry, is 4 feet tall, or 3 feet tall, and he is under the grass. It's got some natural skylights. Let's see here. But it's got some good concrete in the driveway. Decent tree. Structurally sound from what we've been told, so. But look at that glorious roof. Man, that is a nice roof. So we're gonna need a roof. Let's see.
Yourself,
Walkways.
Don't touch anything. You have bugs and stuff on it.
Might need to replace that window. Couple holes.
We'll probably do a little bit of mowing tomorrow, and then we'll know the snakes will run away.
What do you think, bud?
Big pile of junk in it.
Can we work on this?
Oh, good. It came with a couch.
Yes, it's nice.
I had the couch last time.
I can't get that door open.
No,
I don't know if they,
can we work on this?
I don't know if they did.
We
They might have nailed it closed.
It feels like it's
my
pretty,
clothes on,
pretty firm.
gloves.
Got some old people stuff in it.
Hey, let's close that door, okay? Can you shut that door for me?
That is a nice kitchen.
You want to close? Let me see. Wait.
Look back here.
Snakes will be
I think that might need a little paint. Got some free plants. There's a bathroom in there.
Well, you're gonna have to wait. Can you hold it?
There's another natural skylight.
Come in here.
Yeah, it's a spooky room, huh, buddy?
Yeah, it is.
You put it in the back of the truck.
Another bedroom in here.
Duh.
Yeah.
Hold it. Grandma's gonna take you somewhere to go potty.
Grandma.
It's a family affair.
You're gonna have to pull forward some so your mom can get out. Take him in
Here you
the
go.
bathroom. Came in.
I don't think this one's gonna make it. No food in there. Let's see how the backyard looks. That door might need replaced. Might not. Might be able to save that door. Holy Lord. We're gonna need a weed whacker. I think we're gonna get a brush cutter and give you some idea. That's a full-size dumpster, and the grass is above it. There is a small walkway out to the garage out here. I'm gonna try to not get attacked by whatever wild animals have infested this thing. Oh, it's nice. Woo! Woo! Another free couch. We might just knock this room out. I don't know. Then some squatters in here, I'm sure. So this house was a Harvey house. So it's been sitting here like this for a few years. More furniture, more beds. You can see over there. It's like some nice stuff. There is no garage door, so we're gonna have to buy a garage door. be able to move the garage door to the back side. Let's go around the outside and see what it looks like. Oh man, this grass is deep. I think I can get around that way. Here's the back of the house. Yeah, we're gonna have to put a whole new roof on that for sure. I think we're gonna have to replace some rafters too. So that's gonna be a big job. But that is a little tour around our new flip house.